All right, so every 17 parts manufactured by a certain machine, one will be defective. Many parts are manufactured by the machine if 8 defective parts were found. So for every 17 parts, there is one defective. So you could do this, 17 parts over 1 defective equals how many parts over how many defective. And that's setting up a proportion. One fraction equals another fraction, right? And it was 8 defective, right? But the unknown number is how many parts would be manufactured that would give 8 defective, right? So you don't need a proportion for this. You guys could have just figured out a simpler way. Well, we'll go back to some simpler ways afterwards. We'll just do the proportion first, though, just for the fun of it. Where we've got parts over defective equals parts over defective. Or you could flip it the other way. It could be defective over, we could be 1 over 17 equals 8 over x. That's fine as well, whichever you prefer, right? But in any case, we should get 17 times 8 equals 1 times x, right? Or 1x, right? And that's 17 times 8. 8 sevens, 56, carry 5. 8 times 1 is 8 and 5 is 13. So that's a 136 equals x. Make sense? Oh, no, sorry. Sound went off. Is that, sorry. Alrighty, and so yeah, we just have 136 parts is the answer. Now the other way of doing this is you could say, well, there's one defective for every 17 parts, and they just told us that we had manufactured 8 defective parts. So, well, if there's one defective for every 17, you might just logically think, okay, that's got to be 17 times 8, right? For 136. Yeah, you can do proportion, or you can figure it out. If you can figure it out, that's awesome too. You know.